Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Fiat 500 key battery. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This straightforward task is quick and easy, typically taking less than 5 minutes. You'll be surprised how simple it is to restore your key's full functionality with these few steps. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of your Fiat 500 key. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The halves should come apart with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pop out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the fob is securely closed. Test your key to ensure it's working correctly. Remember, a fresh battery makes a big difference. Also, for more great tips and deals, check the description below for links, including one for the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading on the go.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.